Welcome to CVSRP Research YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about what is a patent and how to file a patent, how to publish a patent, and also how to get the grant of your patent work or of your invention, whatever you find out in your laboratories. So before going to explain the patents, what is a patent first of all? A patent is a type of intellectual property that gives its owner the legal right to exclude others from the making, using, or selling an invention for a limited period of time in exchange for the publishing and enabling disclosure of the invention. For suppose, if you take one property, like if you take a building, so that is a tangible property, and there are some intangible properties are there, like that comes under the intellectual property rights. So this intellectual property, there are industrial property related are there as well as copyright related are there. If you look into the industrial property related, again, we will comes under patents, designs, trademarks, as well as GIS. I will explain each and everything clearly now. This is the IPR thing. If you look into here, the IPR, we have different types also there. For suppose in IPR means intellectual property rights, as well as in this IPR, we have patents as well as copyrights, as well as geographical indications, the trademarks and industrial designs. So in this intellectual property rights, not only patents means not comes only patent. It all comes the 5 things like patents, copyrights, GIs, trademarks, as well as industrial designs. These comes under intellectual property rights. For suppose, if you look into here, what is the need of this IPR, the intellectual property rights? The intellectual property rights were essentially recognized and accepted all over the world due to some very important reasons. In that, first we have to provide an incentive to individuals for any new creation, and we have to occur due to this recognition to the creators and the inventors, and to ensure a material reward for intellectual property, as well as to make available genuine and original products. Like this, here, if you see in these patents, what is a patent first of all? So the patents are different, copyrights are different, GIs are different, trademarks are different, industrial designs are different here. So in the patents comes under, like invention. Invention means like products, processes, or materials, or composites. Even sometimes, like the technical solution to a technical problem, as well as what is the industrial design. If you see the industrial design, here there is any external features appealing to eye, or if you find any new thing in industry and a design shape, any new shape or pattern or configuration, it comes under the industrial design. What is a trademark? The trademarks is nothing but, for suppose, a visual symbol, or like a name or logo or label or monogram or slogan. And sometimes we applied an article of manufacture or service also, and sometimes it indicates the origin of goods and services. And what is the copyrights? Copyright is nothing but, like artistic or literary or musical or dramatic creations. And sometimes it comes under proprietary rights, and sometimes, comes into the existence as soon as the work is created. This all comes under the copyright. And what is the GIS? That is the geographical indications. For suppose, if you identify any agriculture or natural or manufactured goods are originating from any definite territory of India. So those all comes under the geographical indications. As well as, if you look into these types of the things in the patents, trademarks, industrial design, copyrights, GIS, these all things comes when you are going to invent the different new thing or innovation, you have to apply in separate manner. And if you look into this table here, this is the Ministry of Commerce and the Industry, Department of Industry, Policy and Promotions. It comes under the patents and the copyrights, and designs comes under here. Under this, it will work like the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks. If you see the design and patent and design office, it located in India like Kolkata, Delhi, Bombay, as well as Chennai, as well as the trademarks registry. If you want to register any trademark, you have to go these offices like Bombay, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Ahmedabad. And if you want the geographical indication registry, only available in Chennai. And if you need any patent information, you will get from here, RG and IIPM. Yeah, next one. What is the intellectual property? Under intellectual property, that if you are filing for a patent or trademark or design or copyright or any GIS, what is the maximum protection when you have to renewal for that one? For suppose if you see any patent, it should be maximum protection is 20 years. Then every year you have to renewal. This rule only as per the Patent Act in 1970, amended in 2005. Coming to the trademark, it is a lifelong, and but you have to renewal after 10 years. It comes under the Trademark Act 1999. And the design patent, that is maximum protection is 15 years, but you must renewal after 10 years. It comes under the Designs Act 2000. And next, copyright, it comes, like the maximum protection is 60 years. It's no need of renewal of every year, but it comes the Copyright Act in 1957. And GIS, it's a lifelong, but you must renewal from after 10 years. These act and rule came, like geographical indication of the goods, like registration protection. Yeah, what is the major thing? For suppose if you see a Coca-Cola, everyone will drink a lemon when you go for the lunch or dinner. So in this Coca-Cola bottle, we have different types of the IPR there. For suppose the logo, the Coca-Cola logo, whatever we are seeing here, the Coca-Cola logo is an example of trademark. And the shape of the bottle, it comes under the industrial design. The patent maybe have been obtained in respect of bottling equipment also. And the copyright, it is in respect of text or database or artistic work appearing on the website. That's why, a single product, for suppose a Coca-Cola product it is a single product. This product can be protected by more than one IPR. Yeah, these are the example. For suppose if you see the iPhone, this the logo is there. This comes under the trademark. This logo comes under the trademark. And this design, the invention, the iPhone, it comes under the phone. It is a patent. This design comes under the industrial design. And also, for suppose if you take a Tirupati Laddu, that is, it comes under the GIS. Okay. And trade secret also it is there. And also, like, if you comes in a Kolhapur chapel, that is a unique one, that comes under the geographical indications. These are all examples, difference between the patent, trademark, and industrial designs. Yeah, you must patent of any your work if it is an invention. These are the 4 steps you must do that. For suppose there are utility requirement, whether it is a before going to filing, you must check these 4 important points. Whether is your invention is useful or not. First, you have to check this point, as well as is it passed the eligibility requirements. Is it your invention is passed the eligibility requirement, like is it a mission or a process or manufacture or composition of a matter? Is it passed or not? You have to check the eligibility criteria. Is your invention is a new? You must know that whether it is whether novelty is there or not. And after that, is your invention is obvious or not? You have to check. So these are the 4 documents you must check while before going to file any patent. And I will show you now the patent office and how we will file in India. In the website, I will tell you where you have to file and the information how we will get. This website, it is clearly showing that the Office of the Controller General of Patents, Designs, Trademarks, this comes under the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. For suppose I told you already the patents and designs, trademarks, geographical information, and this is for the information where you will get some programs or if any workshops are going over there, or if you are some online webinars are going on. If you want to join, you can get all the training programs and all other things here. Online courses also available if you go to here. Okay. Now, for suppose this is a website, and if you want to be a registered patent agent, and you can check here, there is a registration for patent agent examination. If you once click this one, you must get all the details. What is the patent fee? How we will agent? How you can become an agent and all other things also. It is showing here. But my point is about I want to show you how to search a patent and how to search in journal. All other things I will show you now. For suppose if you file a patent, any invention, if you want, these are the things you must know that. For suppose here it is a public search is there. In that, if you want to know the patent search, you simply click on here the patents. So once it will redirect it to here in pass. This is the Indian Patent Advanced Search System under the Intellectual Property India. So here you will get patent search, patent e-register, and application status. So everything you will get. But suppose if you applied any patent, it will give you a register number like application number and enter the code. It will give you the status like when you filed or it is published or it is under examination or it is the grant is finished for your patent. Like we have different steps are there. Anyway, I will tell you each and everything. Same like that, trademarks also, whatever the thing, the trademarks you have to enter here, the class, the designs and everything you will get here. But if I want to know if my patent was published, where it will publish, you can see here right side there is a publication option is there. In that, simply click on journals. So once if you click the journals, there is an option. You will see the patents journal, trademarks journal, as well as geographical indication journal. I will show you some of the examples. For suppose patent journal, if I click, and every Friday it will publish. And for suppose I will open any journal, like the journal number is 11/2022. That means the date of publication in recently 18th March it was published. The date of availability also, the day itself it will be availability, it will be there most of the time. And if you see here, if I am clicking part 2 here, it will show you the complete designs. So for better understanding, we will click on the first part. Once if you click on the first part, definitely it will show you like this. This is the official journal of the patent office. For suppose it was published on 18 March on Friday, publication of the patent office. You can see the journal dated and journal number. Regarding all the things are there here. So how many patents are published, everything it will show you clearly. Including it will show you like patent application, the number, when it was filed and when it was published, the title of the invention and who are the applicant as well as the inventor, as well as the abstract and how many claims are there. Like that, you will get how many papers are there here. Okay, same like that. Like now, if I want to know the trademarks, simply click the trademark. Yeah, for suppose if you click class 1 to class 8 or class 1 to class 4, it is recently published in 1/1 in 2018. Anyway, it's not recently. In 2021 also it is there. You can check here the dates. And once if you finish, this is the trademark journal of this journal number is 1830. Okay, here you will see all the trademarks. I told you already the logo. Whenever you established a company, for that there will be definitely there is a logo will be there like this. These are the trademarks. You will find out for each and everything. Sri Lakshmi, as well as the Gaur Goddess Units, as well as Capital, as well as like Surfact Green, as well as Ruby and the KC. Like you will get a lot of stuff here. And next thing is that you will get like a geographical indication journal. Once if you open this, definitely you will get like a GIS here. So in this case, once if you open here, it will show you the geographical indication journal. So in this, this is most of the time, the people like the first one is the Pochampally ICAT. For suppose it is, it is located in the Telangana state. Anyway, I will show you that how they done. The applicant is TRIFED, that is the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, like regional office. From Nampally, they applied for this Pochampally ICAT. This is the address. This is like registered proprietor is the Pochampally Handloom Weavers Cooperative Society Limited. So it is comes under the what is that we discussed previously, the geographical indications. So like this, we have to find each and everything in the patent website. So as well as there is a procedure also is there, how we will file and what are the invention disclosures and each and everything. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. If you like my video, simply click like button, and if you have any doubts, you can ask, post a message in the comment box, and also share with your friends. Thank you so much, viewers, for watching this video. Thank you so much.